지금 시간은 2026년 2월 10일 오후 10시 26분입니다. Please explain the MySQL SynoDB engine status result for English beginner. Please provide material for read 30 minutes. Understanding the InnoDB engine status is like looking at the health check or dashboard of your database. When you run the command show engine status, InnoDB status, MySQL gives you a long report. To help you learn this as an English beginner, I have organized this into a 30-minute reading guide. I've used the simple words and analogies. Minute 0 to 5. The big picture. What is it? Imagine the InnoDB engine is a kitchen. The buffer pool is the countertop where chefs work on food. The disk is plenty where food is stored long term. Transactions are the orders from customers. The status report tells you if the chefs are busy, if the countertop is full, or if there is a fire in the kitchen, a deadlock. Is there a fire in the kitchen? Deadlock. Minutes 5 to 15. The most important section. You don't need to understand everything. Focus on these 4 sections. Background threads. This shows what the database is doing behind the scenes. Keyword flushing. This means cleaning the database, moving data from the memory to the disk. If this is very high, the database working hard to save data. Transactions. This shows the active orders. Keyword history list length. Think of this as the trash bag. If this number is very high, for example over 10,000, it means the database is slow at cleaning up all data. Keyword rolling back. If you see this, it means a query failed and the database trying to undo the mistake. Semaphores. This is about the waiting. Analogy. Imagine 10 people trying to use one pen at the same time. What to look for? If you see OS wait or spin wait, it means your computer CPU is struggling because too many queries are fighting for the same data. A buffer, pool, and memory. This is the countertop. RAM. What is countertop? Countertop. 아일랜드 식탁. Keyword buffer pool size, total size. Keyword free buffers, empty space. If this is 0, your countertop is full. Keyword database pages, total data in memory. Keyword 30 pages. Data that has been changed but not yet saved to the disk. Minutes 15 to 25. Troubleshooting. Finding problems. Problem A, the deadlock, the Mexican standoff. Mexican standoff. The Mexican standoff. Oh, what is Mexican standoff? 아, 이렇게 총 겨누고 있는 거, Mexican standoff. Looking for the section latest deadlock, detected deadlock. What is it? Transaction A is waiting for transaction B, and transaction B is waiting for transaction A. Neither can move. The result: my seeker is kill one of them, so the other can finish. The report tells you exactly which seeker query caused by fight. Problem B. IO sum, input output, looking for file IO, keyword pending reads or pending writes. Simple rule: these numbers should be 0 or very low. If they are high, your hard drive disk is too slow for your workload. Minute 25 to 30. Vocabulary list and summary. Here are the power words you should memorize. English word, database meaning, simple meaning. Pending, not finished yet. Waiting, 30 page. Change data in RAM, unsaved work. Flushing, writing to disk, saving. Deadlock, to query stock of fight for data. Latches, locks, security for data. Do not touch sign. Final practice tasks. Open your MySQL terminal and type show engine InnoDB status. Try to find the word 30 if the number of 30 pages is high. Your InnoDB adaptive flushing, which we talked about earlier, is working hard to keep the system stable. Would you like me to explain a specific line from on your engine status report? Okay, please. For first, that's collective from the stable situation. Okay, this is a great speedpad point snippet. This is a great snippet from your report. Since you're an English beginner, let's look at this health report for your database. Here is the breakdown of what you are seeing in these two sections. Background red, the behind the scene works. Think of this as the manager of the work office. Serve master thread loop. 오케이, 이걸 다 복사해놓고 가야겠다. Okay. This shows how many times of the master thread has checked the database to see if work needs to be done. 906 serve active. The manager was busy doing work like flushing data 906 times. 2069 survived The manager was waiting or resting 2096 times because there was no work to do. What is meaning? Your database not constantly overwhelmed. The manager has plenty of idle resting time, which is usually good. Semaphore, the traffic lights. This is the most important part for understanding insert load or waiting. In English, a semaphore is a single-use control traffic. OS wait array info. Reservation count 1,041,289. This is a big number. It means many thread queries asked for a seat at the table. Single count 1,103,972. This is the database telling the thread, okay, your turn, come in. RW shared, RW Excel spins 0. This is excellent. Spinning in English means a query is running in a circle, waiting for a lock to open. Since yours are all 0, it means queries are getting what they need immediately without fighting. Your insert workload analysis. Even though the reservation count is high, over 3 million, the OS weight is 0. In the RW read-write section, suggest that your partitioning is working well. Because you divided the table into 40 parts, the queries are not fighting for the same spot. They are not spinning their wheels. Next step, scroll down in your report, the transaction section. Can you see a line that's to highest list length? Highest list length. Okay. Oh. Delete from . Okay, let's analyze. This section is like the waiting room of a hospital. It shows who is currently working and who is waiting. Here is your 10-minute deep dive into this section. The flashback, history list ranks. History list ranks 5,141, meaning when you're changing data, InnoDB keeps the old version in the undo log in case you want to roll back. Status healthy, unusually. If this number is under 10,000, your database cleaning up all data purging fast enough. If the became 100,000 plus, your disk manage might become slow. The active workers, active prepared, transaction 1087221116, active prepared 0 second, meaning these transactions are in the final step of the finishing their work. Keyword, waiting for handler commit. This meaning the query is finished, it works. and it is now waiting for the master, the engine, to say, okay, save it permanently now. Since it says 0sec, it is happening very fast. That is good. The locked rooms locks 3 lock structures, 4 row locks, meaning this specific transaction is holding 4 keys for row lock. No other query can touch. Touch this for specific row until the transaction finishes. Okay, on the log entries 3, this means this query has changed 3 rows of data so far. Okay. Vocabulary for this section: purge, to clean up or remove things you don't need anything. Undo, to cancel or change and go back to the original version. Active, currently working, not finished. Prepared, ready. The query is ready to be saved permanently. Commit, to save a change forever. What do this delete from means? You are running delete queries while also doing insert tests. Because your history list length is 5141, the engine is busy, meaning the old data from the delete while trying to write the new data. Write to new data from your inserts. Because your history list length is 5141, the engine is busy, meaning the old data from the delete while trying to write the new data from your insert. Your transactions are in prepare state. If you see many transactions stuck in the state for many seconds, it usually means binlog, binary log, or disk is having a hard time saving the data fast enough. Summary for your workload. Summaries for your workload. Everything looks very stable. Logs. You only have 4 row logs. There, this is very small. Okay. Well, this is very small. Speed, time is 0 seconds. Efficiency, your partitions are likely hoping keep the delete and insert operation from hitting each other. Collating. 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 Ooh, colliding. Helping keep this delete and insert operation from hitting each other. Would you like to see the file IO section next? If your hard drive is crying. Okay. If the speed is sub-second, how do these display the time value. In the show engine InnoDB status report, the active section time is unfortunately rounded to the nearest whole second. For example, 0 second, 1 second, 2 second. MySQL does not show decimals like 0.5 second in the specific report. However, if you want to see exactly how many milliseconds, 1 by 10,000 of a second, or microsecond, 1 by 1 million of a second, your queries are taking. You can use these two professional methods. Using performance schema the scientific way. This is the best way to see the actual time for every single step of your insert or delete. Number 1. Enable the consumer. Turn on the stopwatch. Okay, update. Event statement history enabled. Run your query procedure. Core ... Check the precise time. Event ID, SQL text. Okay. Result, you see values like 0.000150, which is 150 microseconds. Using sys schema the easy way. If you have the sys schema installed, standard in MySQL 5.7 and 8.0, you can see a summary of your workload in very readable format. Result, it will automatically display the unit like 150.25 microsecond or 1.220 millisecond. Using show profiles the quick way. This is a classic method. It is very simple to use while testing. Vocabulary. For subsecond, when taking to other DBAs, database administrators use these terms: latency, the delay of time taken for a query, granularity, the level of detail. InnoDB status has low granularity. Granularity. The level of detail. InnoDB status has low granularity because it only shows seconds. Millisecond, microsecond. Would you like me to explain how to read system analysis insert? No, thanks. Next, please explain the next section, that is file I/O. This file I/O section is where we check if your disk is keeping up with your workload. For an English beginner, think of this as the loading bar for your database. Here is your 5-minute analytic of this section. The traffic jam check, pending flushes, abscess log 1, meaning pending means waiting. Your database waiting for the disk to confirm that one piece of log data is safely saved. Status very healthy. If the number stays at 1 or 0, it's perfect. If the jump to 100 plus, your disk is too slow. The speedometer, writes per second, 2803.20 writes per second, meaning your database is physically waiting to disk about 2803 times every second. Analyze it. This is quite a busy workload. Since you are doing insert tests, it shows that your data is being moved from memory to the disk very quickly. The save button, AppSync per second, 203.67 AppSyncs per second, meaning an AppSync is like hitting Ctrl S, saving on your keyboard. It focuses the disk to make sure the database is permanent. Status, high AppSync value usually meaning you have InnoDB flush log at transaction commit is 1. The safety setting, if ensure every transaction is safe, even if the gray power goes out. Vocabulary for file I/O, pending, waiting to happening, not finished, write, saving data to the disk, read, getting data from the disk, AIO, asynchronous I/O, doing many tasks at once without waiting for each one to finish, average, the normal or middle amount. Why reach at 0? This is actually great news. It means all data you need is already in the buffer pool RAM. The database doesn't need to go to flow disk to find data. It's working entirely in the fast memory. Summary for your workload. Your disk is doing a lot of work, 2,800 plus writes per sec, but it is not failing. It is not falling behind because the pending counter set on almost 0. Your your adaptive flushing, which we discussed earlier, is likely to here. Keeping the writing speed steady. Final reading task. The last piece. Scroll down to the very end of the report, insert buffer and adaptive hashed index section. Look for IBOB colon size 1. If the size is small, it means your waiting room to insert is clear and faster. Okay, let's do this. This is the final piece of the puzzle. This section tells us how MySQL optimize your insert and searches. For English beginner, think of this section as the fast pass at the theme park. It shows the shortcut MySQL is using to avoid slow work. IBOB, insert buffer, change buffer, IBOB size 1, free list length 0, means the insert buffer is holding area for changes to secondary indexes. If the disk is too busy, MySQL puts the change here and waits for better time to save it. Status: excellent. A size of 1 means the buffer is almost empty. This tells us your database is so fast that it doesn't need to queue up your insert. If it is processing them immediately. Merges: zero merges, meaning a merge happening when the data in the holding area IBOP is finally written to the actual table. Analysis: since you have zero merges, it confirms that your insert operations are going straight to the data pages without waiting in the buffer. Adaptive Hash Index AHI. Hash table size is 50,999,537, meaning this is very large quick reference rest in memory. MySQL monitors your queries and automatically creates nicknames for the data you look for most often. 0.00 hash searches and 200 million 201,222.99 non-hash searches per second. Non-hash searches. You are doing over 200,000 searches per second. This is very high workload. Hash searches 0.00. Even though you are doing many searches, MySQL is not using the hash shortcut. This is common during insert heavy tests because the test is changing too fast for a hash index to be useful. Vocabulary for this section: merge, to combine two things into one. Discard, to throw something away, ignore it. A hash, a mathematical way to find data instantly. Hash, a mathematical way to find data instantly. A buffer, a temporary storage area to help deal with different speeds. Final workload DB has summary. Looking at all the sections you are shared. Transactions, moving fast. File I/O, busy but steady. 2080 writes per second, low pending. Insert buffer, clear, size 1. Semaphore, no fighting. 0 spins per wait. The verdict. The verdict: your partition strategy is successful. The database handling a very high workload, 200,000 searches and 2,800 writes per second with almost zero congestion. Would you like to try increasing to VLOOP in your outer procedure to 100, 1,000 or 10,000 to see when the pending numbers start to go up? There is how to find the limit of your server. No thanks. Please. Let's analyze next sections. buffer pool and the memory. This is the counter tab RAM section. Since you are performing heavy insert and delete tasks on your partition table, this section tells us if you have enough memory to handle the work. Here is the 5-minute analytics for an English beginner. The empty space, free buffers, buffer pool size is 20,581,771. Free buffers 20,564,689. Empty pages, meaning you have a huge amount of free memory. Analyze your total data is very small compared to your RAM. Your counter tab is almost empty, so MySQL doesn't have to struggle to find space for new data. The unsaved work, modified DB pages. Modified DB pages to 12,527. Key vocabulary. In database English, we call these dirty pages, meaning these are 20,527 pages that have been changed, but your insert will delete but are not yet saved to the disk. Status. This is the result of your InnoDB adaptive flushing. MySQL is holding this in memory and will slowly write them to the disk. The efficiency score, hit rate, buffer pool rate, hit rate, meaning this is a perfect score analogy. Every time a query asks for data, the chef finds it on the counter tab RAM and never has to run to the pantry disk. 100,000 per 1,000 means back percent 100% efficiency. The old or young LRU lists was recently used. Page match young 627,180, meaning bicycle moves popular data to the front of the line young, so it doesn't get thrown out of memory. 919 youngs per second. Your workload is very active. Data is constantly being moved to the import area of memory because you are accessing it frequently. Vocabulary for buffer pool. Allocate. To set aside or reserve memory for a specific use. Modified. Changes or edited. Dirty pages. Modified pages. Hit rate. How often the database finds what is needed in memory. Evicted. To be kicked out. If memory is full, all data is evicted. LRU, a list that keeps track of what data is to kick out first. Overall conclusion of your workload database health. After looking at all sections, background thread, semaphores, transactions, file IO, IBOP, and buffer pool, your data is in perfect shape. You have zero waiting. Your memory is too large enough, high rate. Your disk is faster enough, pending write zero. Your partitioning helps distribute the 337 writes per second 200,000 plus searches without any stores. Next step suggestions. Since your free buffer are so high, are you currently testing a small data scenario? If you want to see real changes, try to insert millions of rows until free buffers become zero. That is when you will see the true power of InnoDB adaptive flushing. Would you like me to help you modify your VLOOP to run much larger tests? No, thanks. Okay, go to the next. InnoDB buffer pull info. This part of report shown that your database has 8 buffer pool instances, number 0 to 7. Think of this like having 8 separate kitchens instead of one great kitchen. This is very smart setup for high-speed workload. Why are there 8 buffer pools? When many people queries try to use one memory area at the same time, they have to wait in line. By splitting memory into 8 instances, MySQL allows 8 different queries to work at the exact same time without touching each other. Analogy: instead of one wide door where people bumped into each other, you have 8 doors. Benefit: this reduces mutex contention, memory fighting. Is the workload balanced? Yes, let's look at the writes per second for each pool. Pool 0, 84 writes per second. Pool 4 writes for 46.76 writes per second, per 6, 37 writes per second, per 7, 41 writes per second. Analysis: the work is distributed very evenly. No single pool is doing all the work while others sleep. This means your partitioning and connection ID are separating the data perfectly across the memory. 3 vocabulary instance. One of several similar things. Pool is an instance. Pool 0 is an instance. Balanced, equal, steady on all sides. Contention, a situation where 2 or more people want the same thing at the same time, fighting for memory. Distribution, how things are spread out over an area. Observation for an English beginner. Modified DB pages, 30 pages. Notice that every pool has about 1,500 to 1,700 data, but 30 pages. This is very consistent. Free buffers. Each pool has about 1,500,000 free pages. You still have a lot of room to grow. Hit rate, 1,000 per 1,000. Every single pool is performing perfectly. Then all find their data in RAM 100% of the time. The big conclusion: your MySQL configuration InnoDB buffer pool instance is perfectly match it with your partition table. Even though you are doing heavy tasks, the database feels relaxed because the work is divided into 8 pieces. What's the next? You have finished reading the entire InnoDB status report. You now know how to check thread, the manager, semaphore, the traffic, transactions, the worker, file IO, the disk, buffer pool, the memory. Why would you like to try a stress test now? You can create the script to run your outer procedure from 5 different terminal windows at the same time to see if it can finally make the OS rate increase. No thanks. Row operations. This is the final section of the report. It is the scoreboard that shows exactly how many rooms are being processed. This is where you can see the true power of your workload. Here is your final 5-minute analysis. The real-time speed, inserts per second, deletes per second. 17,955 insert per second, 11,941 updates per second, 170,930 deletes per second, meaning your database doing about 47 writes operation every second. Analysis. This is very high workload for a single server to handle near 118 insert and 18 deletes every second is very impressive. Your partition is definitely helping to manage this traffic. The queue queries inside the InnoDB. Zero queries inside InnoDB. Zero queries in queue. Meaning, in English, a queue is a line of people waiting. Analysis. Even with 47,000 operations per second, there is no line. Every query is getting in and out of the engine instantly. The grand total number of the row. Number of row instead 741,268, meaning since you start the server, you have installed almost 10 million rows. Number of rows read 16,195,677. You have read over 16 million rows. Vocabulary for row operation. Queue. A line of people or things wait for their turn. Inside. Already in the room engine. State sleeping. The process is not doing anything right now. It is waiting for a new command. Update. Changing existing information. Delete. Removing information. Final summary of your 30-minute reading. You have successfully analyzed the entire InnoDB status. Here is your final doctor's note for the database. Speed, very fast, over 17,000 inserts per second. Health, excellent. No queues, no waiting, 100 memory hit rate. Workload, balanced. 8 buffer pool working equally. Success, your TBL partition insert test is working perfectly. The partition key logic is spreading the load so well that the engine never gets stuck in a queue. What's next? You have 10 million rows now. Would you like to check the size of your partitions on the disk to see which one is the fattest, largest? Or would you like to run a query test to see how fast you can find one specific row among these 10 millions? Congratulations on the finishing the InnoDB status deep dive. You are no longer beginner at the reading this report.